Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for jobs on Upwork. But before you can apply for jobs, it's important to have a strong profile that attracts clients. Your profile is the first impression, so make it count. Ensure your profile is 100% complete. Fill out all the sections including your title, overview, skills, and work history. Use a professional profile picture and write a compelling bio that highlights your expertise and what you offer. Because a well-crafted profile will increase your chances of being invited to the interview and winning jobs. Once your profile is ready, it's time to start searching for jobs that match your skills. And in order to do that, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Log into your Upwork account and you'll be on this page. In order to apply for any jobs, you'll have to simply navigate to upwork.com, search for a job that you want to apply for. For example, I want to apply for this job that is SEO assistant for personal finance and entrepreneurship blog. In order to apply to this job, I will have to click on this. Now, I will have to click on Apply Now button. When I click on Apply Now button, this will open up this Submit a Proposal page. On this page, scroll down and navigate to the Terms section. Here, you're going to see these fields. Add your rate that you would like to bid for this job. For example, if I want to bid $20 per hour for this job, I will add 20 here and I will receive $18 after Upwork's service fee. Now, I'll scroll down and navigate to the Schedule a Rate Increase section. In this field, enter how often do you want a rate increase. If you don't want it, select Never, or you can select any one of these options. After selecting, you'll have to navigate to the Cover Letter section. So here what you're basically going to do is add your skills and expertise, make the client believe that you're the best fit for this job. So the cover letter section is a reply to this job post. You'll have to make the client believe that you can do this job, you have the adequate skills and expertise to finish that job. Now, scroll down and click on Add an Upwork job. Now here, you'll be able to select the jobs that you have already done and click on Add to Highlights button. Now click on Add to Portfolio and from this, you'll be able to select your portfolio videos that you would have uploaded on Upwork. Click on Select Highlight to select these videos. Click on Add to Highlights. Now, as you can see, I have these 4 profile highlights that will be helpful in showing the client that I'm the best fit for this job. Now I will scroll down. I will have to click on this Send button here. When I click on Send, I would have successfully applied for this job on Upwork. And if you would like to set a bid, that is do bidding for getting this job, you'll have to click on this plus icon. Then you'll have to enter how much connects you're willing to spend for getting a position in this bid and click on Submit Proposal. So click on Send and you'll have successfully applied for this job on Upwork. So that's how you can apply on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.